Here are the 10 answers you need to know before getting a hair transplant.
Hair transplant actually lasts forever. It's a good question. Yes, but it's up to your genetics also. If your hair loss pattern is about your genetics, yes, hair transplants grafts will be survived forever. But your hair loss pattern is about your stress, about your lifestyle, about your diet, you can lose your implanting hairs.
When do you really start seeing hair after transplant? So first 2 weeks, you will see that implanted hairs will start growing and the scabs will be gone. And you will be happy that you will almost see every implanted hairs, but then the shock loss will start in a month. You will lose most of them. Some will remain, some might remain. It doesn't mean that all is going to fall out, but the vast majority will be gone. And you will enter a phase that you should not have an expectation the first 3 months.
After hair transplant, after 10 days, you can see your implanting hairs, but after 1 month, you will have a shock loss. These names, ugly duck face, and yeah, sometimes it can be terrible, but after 3 months, implanting hair will regrow, and after 6 months you can see your 70% of your results, but the final result after 1 year.
It is strongly related to how your pain tolerance is. Some patients really say that it's overrated and it doesn't hurt that much. It's very tolerable. They say tolerable.
We ask sometimes to our patients after the surgery, and they give the number 6 out of 10. It's moderate pain level, I think.
Transplanted hair fall out again. Yeah, bad news, yes. After 1 month, you are gonna lose your implanting hairs, but good news are after 6 months, you are gonna get your hair again.
If the donor hair is not affected from the DHT at all, we can be more comfortable, more confident that in long term those hairs will not get thinner in their new region of transplanted part. But if the donor hair also is some part of the donor hair is getting thinner and getting affected from the DHT, then we may be more skeptical. It doesn't necessarily mean that we can't do the transplantation, but we can advise the patient to use the medications to keep those transplanted hairs in long term. Can a hair transplant look fake even if it's done right? So I strongly disagree with that. If it's done right, it can look natural and you can't really tell.
The important thing is the surgeon's approach. If the surgeon can do your hairline have enough macro irregularities and micro irregularities, also the team can implant just single grafts on the line. You cannot have any fake line because the line is very important for the good natural result.
We don't accept more than 65 years old and under the 18 years old patients. Also, some diseases we don't suggest the hair transplant. For example, some skin diseases.
You have to heal properly. There are some certain diseases that affects the healing process, like diabetes, hypertension, or some autoimmune diseases. So we have to evaluate way deeper with those kind of situations.
If you are working at the office, you can start your life 3-4 days later. But if you working under the dusty area or some hard working areas, you have to wait around 2 weeks.
Can one session really fix everything? We should talk about everything meanings because I cannot fix your every problems with hair transplant, but we can fix your hair loss problem.
If your hair loss is too aggressive, too advanced, then it may not be possible to cover everything with perfect density. It's up to your donor capacity. Some patients came with a pretty advanced hair loss, but they have an amazing donor area. So we can, after we do a maximum but a safe extraction, we will be able to extract that amount of number. But those cases are the minority. If you have too advanced hair loss, if the area is too large, then you may need two-step surgery to cover everything properly.
Biggest mistake. Yes, let's talk about the mistakes after surgery. And after transplant, the biggest mistake is smoking, because smoking can decrease the circulation on the scalp. And after surgery, the grafts needs nourishment and also needs circulation. For the scalp, we have to increase the circulation on the top, and if you smoke, the circulation will be less and can affect your grafts and also can decrease your graft survival rate.
Immediately, the patients wear their clothes. At this time, they wear clothes like this. At this time, the clothes hit the hairs and implanted hairs will go out. It's a immediate mistake. And after the explanation, when they are go in the car, they can hit the hairs at the car. At this time, the implanted hairs will go out. If your hair loss is starting, maybe you can use a medical treatment. Some medical treatment can help to you, especially some medications, finasteride, minoxidil. Also, at this time, you can use the mesotherapy medication also. And stem cell, also exosome treatment is the new trend treatment, new hair loss solutions.
Hair transplant is not only solution for hair loss. Also, we can talk about the medicine like finasteride, minoxidil. Also, maybe we can talk about baldness.